Hi, this is Pankuri and you're watching me on Movie Talkies. Today I'm going to review director Sankalp Reddy's war saga The Ghazi Attack. This is India's first underwater film, so I was pretty excited about it, and what this film has to offer, I will let you know now. The film revolves around the mysterious sinking of Pakistani submarine PNS Ghazi in 1978. गाजी क्यों और कैसे डूबी इसके पीछे बहुत थ्योरीज हैं, बट हियर द फिल्म मेकर्स हैव स्टक टू द क्लेम दैट एन इंडियन सबमरीन डिस्ट्रॉयड इट। जब इंडियन नेवी को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है कि पाकिस्तानी सबमरीन पीएनएस गाजी इंडियन कोस्टलाइन में एंटर करने वाली है टू डिटेक्ट एनिमीज प्रेजेंस, दे अपॉइंट द वेरी रिबेलियस and very patriotic Captain Ranvijay Singh to lead the mission. His second in command, Devraj, and righteous and level-headed officer Arjun Verma also join him on Indian submarine S-21. अर्जुन को प्राइमरीली इसलिए भेजा जाता है सो दैट रणविजय सिंह डज नॉट टेक एनी ब्रैश डिसीजन। इंडियन नेवी पीएनएस गाजी को डिटेक्ट करता है और उसके बाद कैसे ये सर्च ऑपरेशन एक वॉर में बदल जाता है फॉर्म्स द रेस्ट ऑफ द प्लॉट। के मेनन हैज प्लेड कैप्टन रणविजय सिंह एंड व्हाइल ही इज वेरी गुड इन सम पार्ट्स, ही इज हैम लाइक नो टुमारो इन अदर्स। He fits his role and overpowers completely in the first half. Rana Daggubati is playing Arjun and he's not only looking dapper in his uniform but also impresses you with his understated acting. First half देख के मुझे लगा why Rana agreed to do this film as he didn't have much to do, but in the second half he completely dominates. Atul Kulkarni is playing Devraj and though he's acted well, इस फिल्म में वो ज्यादातर अपने सीनियर्स के डायलॉग्स ही रिपीट करते हुए दिखे। It's nostalgic to see late Ompuri in this film. तापसी पन्नू का ट्रैक इस फिल्म में क्यों है ये हमें सिर्फ डायरेक्टर ही बता सकते हैं. It was so not required. The rest of the supporting cast too is quite ordinary. Reddy's mega project has some execution issues, but overall it makes an impact, more so because such a film has never been made before in India. India-Pakistan war theme always gets a good response from the audiences, और ये फिल्म भी आपके अंदर देशभक्ति का भाव जरूर जगाएगी। You root for the Indian officers when their submarine gets damaged and pray for their safety when Pakistanis fire multiple torpedoes at them. The second half of the film will keep you engrossed and at the edge of your seat. The visual effects, though not at par with Hollywood, are good. The scenes where the Indian submarine emerges out and dives into the ocean will give you goosebumps. संकल्प ने इस फिल्म के लिए बहुत मेहनत की है और वो आपको ये फिल्म देखकर नजर आता है। He and his actors have got the naval terminologies right and they make it all look very convincing. The interiors of the submarine look very authentic and the makers deserve a pat on their backs for this. इस फिल्म में गाने नहीं है, रोमांस नहीं है, it's an out and out war flick and an enjoyable one at that. The screenplay is interesting, some dialogues are very good, however the background score is strictly okay. Watch The Ghazi Attack if you enjoy war flicks and to applaud Sankalp's brave effort. I give this movie a rating of 3 stars. So that's all I have for you this weekend. I'll catch you next time with something new and something fresh. Till then, stay tuned to Movie Talkies and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.